Are you wondering that your mental health is getting worse day by day? Even if you are not suffering from any mental health issues or not. Your mental health can fluctuate over time, and it's necessary to be aware of signs that your mental health is getting worse so that you can seek help or implement self-care strategies. Here are some common signs that your mental health is getting worse. First is changes in mood. Everyone suffers mood swings from time to time because of a variety of reasons, including stress, difficulties encountered on a daily basis, hormonal changes, and even changes in the weather. But if you experience large and continuous shifts in your mood, particularly if these changes affect how you live and function on a daily basis, it could be an indication that your mental health is declining. If you're experiencing frequent and unpredictable shifts in mood, it can be an indication of an underlying mental health condition like bipolar disorder. It matters how quickly your mood changes alter. Extreme mood fluctuations, such as feeling depressed, nervous, agitated, or hopeless all the time, are a sign of a mental health problem. If you're not sure whether it's happening to you or not, so try to get feedback from others. Sometimes, friends, family members, or coworkers may notice changes in your mood or behavior before you do. Their observations may be helpful to figure out how well you are mentally. Second is social withdrawal. It's a sign that your mental health becoming worse. But before drawing any conclusions, it's crucial to take the surrounding circumstances into account. Social disengagement can take many different forms and may be a sign of numerous mental health conditions or life circumstances. Keep in mind that the extent and length of social withdrawal are important factors. If you observe that you've been often avoiding social activities you once enjoyed and isolating yourself from friends and family for a considerable amount of time, it may be cause for concern. Consider why you are withdrawing socially. Is it due to feelings of sadness, anxiety, or overwhelming stress? Social withdrawal could be associated with mental wellness decline if it is motivated by negative feelings. Certain mental health conditions, such as depression, social anxiety disorder, or avoidant personality disorder, are associated with social withdrawal. If you have a history of these conditions, increased withdrawal may be a sign that your symptoms are worsening. Third is sleep problems. Chronic sleep troubles, such as insomnia or hypersomnia, may indicate underlying mental health issues if it persists for an extended period and significantly impacts your daily life. Insomnia is a common symptom of depression, and it can also be a sign that your mental health is declining. Sleep habits can be disturbed by anxiety and stress. You can have problems falling asleep, have nightmares, or wake up frequently at night if you're under more stress or anxiety. But sleep cycle can be disturbed by other factors too. Certain medications, as well as the use of substances like caffeine, nicotine, or alcohol, can disrupt sleep patterns. Poor sleep hygiene, irregular sleep schedules, or excessive screen time before bedtime can contribute to sleep disturbances. And last is negative self-perception. Mental health is not an all-or-nothing concept. People may go through phases of excellent mental health when they have a positive opinion of themselves, and periods of poor mental health characterized by negative self-perception. It's important to take consideration the context and length of any negative self-perception. These emotions could be an indication of a mental health issue if they last for a long time, impair daily functioning, or have a major influence on one's overall quality of life. If you have all these symptoms, then there are very higher chances that you're having mental issues and your mental health is getting worse. And now you have to fix this as soon as possible. But how to fix them? Restoring mental health is a difficult process that is influenced by a person's unique situation, the type and seriousness of their mental health problems, and other variables. But there are some hacks and tips that can help you to restore your mental health. Start with mindfulness. Mindfulness is focusing on the present moment while remaining non-judgmental. It has attracted a lot of interest recently as a tool for enhancing mental health and well-being. It can reduce stress by helping individuals become more aware of their thoughts and feelings in the present moment. Because of this awareness, they can react to stressors more adaptively rather than impulsively. Deep breathing and mindfulness techniques like meditation help trigger the relaxation response, which balances the body's stress reaction. People can gain perspective on their thoughts and emotions by paying attention to the present moment. which helps them to break the habit of dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Next is making healthy lifestyle choices. It is as essential for regaining and maintaining good mental health. You can start by balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. Eating a nutritious diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can positively impact your mood and energy levels. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods, which can lead to mood swings and energy crashes. Physical activity is known to release endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Activities like walking, jogging, yoga, or dancing can be both enjoyable and beneficial for mental health. Prioritize sleep by aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep can exacerbate mental health issues, so establish a regular sleep routine and create a comfortable sleep environment. And don't forget to limit negative self-talk. It is an important step in improving your mental well-being and self-esteem. The first step in addressing negative self-talk is to become aware of it. Pay attention to your inner conversation and recognize when you are thinking negatively or negatively of yourself. Next step is to challenge those thoughts. Ask yourself if they are supported by facts or whether they are based on suppositions or distortions. Be as fair and practical as you can when judging yourself. And in final step, counteract negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Replace self-criticism with self-compassion by repeating positive and encouraging statements to yourself. Try the steps and you can start to feel changes inside of you within some weeks. Remember, life has many ups and downs. It's up to you how you face and handle them. See you next time.